Greetings people, it's Paul at Greenshire Homestead. I'm going to show you how to start your string trimmer and your push mower in the spring when they've been sitting all winter and you can't get them to start. The reason they won't start is because the carburetor's gotten plugged up with old gas and the gas has gone bad. So you're going to dump all the old gas out and you're going to put new gas in. Then you're going to use this. This is starter fluid. It's not starter fluid like you would put on briquettes in the barbecue grill. This is engine starting fluid. Very different thing. And this is going to be in the automotive department, like along with carburetor cleaner and brake cleaner and gas treatment, that sort of thing. So all you're going to do is remove the air filter. Pay attention to which way the air filter goes in. It doesn't go in like this, it goes in like this. So you're going to put everything back together exactly like it was when you take it apart. So remove your air filter, and then you're going to see the port where the air intake is for the carburetor. You're going to spray a little bit of this on that intake, just a little bit, that's all it takes. It'll fire your motor right up. Then all you got to do is put your air filter back in and snap that together. You only have to do this once because you've put clean gas in there. Now, as you're running the mower, the clean gas is going to run through the carburetor and it's going to clean it all out. All the old gas that was in there is going to get cleaned out. So, one-time deal in the spring, and that'll take care of it. Same thing's true with the string trimmer. There's your air filter. You remove that, and your air intake for your carburetor is going to be right underneath that air filter. So just locate the air filter on whatever model you have, and there it'll be. Thanks for watching. It's Paul at Greenshire Homestead. We'll see you next time.